Hi guys, it's your girl Dora again. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can join the family. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this hair padding using the regular donut bun. Right? Without much further ado, let's dive right into it. So I'm making this video majorly because of our beginners, right? You might be wondering what is a air padding. Air padding is what I'm holding. It is any soft filling, any soft item you use to add volume to your hair in styling, right? And for this video, I'm going to be making use of the regular donut bun as this to achieve a hair padding. So for all you need for this video, you can actually use other things, but for this video I'm going to be using the regular donut bun, and you'll be needing a scissors, you'll be needing a thread, a needle, and any rough hair of your choice. So some people use new hair and all of that, but I chose to use a kinky hair because it gives a volume, and the amount of hair you add into your bun will determine how big your padding will look like at the end of the day. So I feel instead of throw away those rough hair, why not make use of it? Why not make them useful again? So that is why I've decided to use this instead of throwing them away. I hope you get that. So for this, all I'm going to do is cut my regular donut bun. See, this donut bun comes in different sizes. Now the size of the bun you are using is dependent. You can decide to use a smaller bun. It does not matter in as much as the bun covers the hair that you are using. So I went in to cut my donut bun, and after cutting I loosed out all the thread on the body that the manufacturer actually used to tack the bun, right? So let's bear in mind that you can actually use this bun like this to style. Yeah, for a low bun you can use it like that, you can use it like this for half apple, you can use it like this for different styles, but know that you might not get a lot of volume as this pattern that I'm trying to make. For the shape or the size of your hair, it depends on like the amount or the quantity of the hair you have at the end of the day is dependent on the hair pattern and the hair itself. So I went out to lose the bun. Like I said earlier, you can decide to use just a little portion, but because I didn't want to pieces the bun after losing it out, I just folded it into two. And after folding it, I make sure that I spread it out properly and evenly, such that one part is not bigger than the other and one part is not wider than the other. Then I went in to put my hair inside it. Like I added the whole rough hair that I had. I placed it inside and I started folding, and I wrapped and wrapped and wrapped. See guys, the volume, like I said, the volume of hair you have inside your padding is determinant of how big your padding will come out at the end of the day. Now, in place of a donut bun, some people use a wig cap or wig net. Depends. I said it earlier, you use different things. And after wrapping, all you just need to do is tack the bun itself. You tack your hair padding so that you have a neat padding at the end of the day. If you watch my videos, yeah, I really don't what's it called, I don't really tack my padding because I can work with it with or without tacking. But for the sake of our beginners, you have to tack it so that you don't have to start struggling between, oh, uh, the hair is losing, the bun is shaking, the bun is losing out, and all of that. Once you tack it, all this gets out of the way, and it even makes your work look so neat and professional, even if you're not a professional yet. I hope that makes sense. So at the end of the day, after tacking, I just had to cut it, and yeah, we have our hair padding. This is the type I use the most, and that is why I've decided to make it for you guys. If you learned a thing or two, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want me to make another video of a different type of pattern, let me know in the comment section. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Peace.